September we met, I could tell by your smile. You hadn't been with a good girl like me in a while. Yeah, you were impressed.
Hello, happy Sabbath. Going to hey kan chol ni ya. Karing khom do na chuanin. Hey ka bula hian thi do thing kan mi na mi to ne. Makina kron la hong. Makina kron la hong nga hey. Im la mi to. An dog food ka do nei to mi ka cha bel le zo te. Thil bel te ka do nei do na. Chu ma chuan hey ka phei hok thar kha lo thleng to kan mi lo. Hey ka phei hok thar kha lo thlenga zara ka cha kha mo. Kabun don hi ve khat na tan. For the first time I'm going to wear lazo. Let me see. Lazo hi aler lo to ka ain siam re lo to hak sir. Char khong hey om where are you? Local ro ngi ti. Kim zinga. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Look at me. Oh.
Sure.
Yeah, express hey korthar leke korthar alai ni. You need to buy now new shoe. Right?
Yeah,
Smart shoe they nei ve bundu. You never want to wear your smart shoe.
They're in some.
Yeah, but even if it's here, you're not going to wear it because you only want that one. Why men's are like that, right? Hey, kampun chin to shal te po ka dule mai the ni. Chan chu thili ka bun rei le pe tak tak la mo. Number 8 lo bun ve ka chu. Let's go pe ko ki kan rapal song. Hey, kankal to do na vo in chu khwa po lum tha hem khop, right? Let's go. Are you ready to go?
Yeah, let's do this.
Let's go. Let's go. Nak tu ka ho do na you leaving me tomorrow.
I know.
So this vlog is about my husband. Kampa ahodo na naktuka. Tomorrow you going home, right?
Yeah, gotta go.
For 2 weeks. So ano na ulit ang
turn right.
so vangin nge in vlog to last day ni tu. Yang kung kalanga 20 minutes drive filter.
Nang malam tran tu te chan him lo ang ma se sadra ka te imu tir kha I chen chil na an chang ke bolal pa hey ka du ber ike bula om hi chu chu lu hiani ke song ka ring thi Kong te tluang ilang lo ma se Hey ka shereng minen kolchi min mai tuani ke ikatan hia lalpa atrani Katan lalpa atrani o katan atrani Kakong te tluang ilang lo ma se Hey ka shereng minen kolchi min mangai tuani ke ikatan hia lalpa atrani Hey ka shereng minen kolchi min mangai tuani lalpa atrani
Vo in chu biakina cho kan ei ngal dom boka chuanin lezawa ho naktu ka vlog ne ka mix oi do ni chu endang hen lo thiam me nga chhan chu ni khat cho vlog tur hanin vlog tur hi wang ve thina ba kha camera in tin ring te hi pe yom lo mo lezaw ho tur him
The destination is on your right. Indiana.
ei tlem in voin chu kan tlai do mo Kan biakin Hian travel nam hengla in te hin zuaran te a hengla in te ma se biakin nei ronga tom chu na tho na ne na rem lo to. Where do you want to park? Good job, good driver. Zir lai kan zir zau chai kan pa le khabu vel kan lak sakyan le khabu vel hen lo da thina kan du du kha lak the hei lak sak don chiar to
Dragon Salvation and
kani hi chu English class a kanam thina mizo class sun na zo lo da wa pona kan nga ka
so now we got the Romans.
hei ka thian te ho ni
Chinese people
Doors
worship
te.
the sun.
hei tlom tlong hi nia hai ron ti la ka vin chu ai chawang o cho ai numa nu chani den lom thu soinan ei in ve to shantan buat sei saka ya thoning ka hanai don ni hi
Kanin ko ini hi women ministry.
Women Ministry Day ani hi kanu ka thon tur hawan ya heng hi hei mi eyeshadowvel no chuanin eyebrow hi amamo ve to pani chu eyebrow a brush le vel hi from blonde hairspray dry shampoo le mascara hey body strap chuanin shampoo set ania hey styling cream ania chon hey wine set hey candle hey kanu ta tung ka hey hi asli le no pang ho tilang vek to lo me nga heyจะซ้อนนี่ไหม no pang hau lom to chi no tu na hianin zindar li le chari ve nia kan pa e tu ka siam sak lo ka kalma ei me khop ni ma ta ki chu alamu he computer taking vek no na kar ni chung acham don ni ei tor te ma king ve thlap ni hi ke ma hi kalung hi leng le me ma malo ta chho ve nge chumo nga tinge ka tia I passport asiam tin chu India kan non jin no mang han a passport lo thi to a thalak mi to ran ti ve nge lo du ve lo to helal zo ho don ni going home
Yeah, I gotta do some work.
Here, let me turn on the light.
You wanna do the car key?
No.
Okay.
Yeah, okay.
You got it? It's this one right there. And that trunk, and then you get the bottom one. Okay.
I know. What do you mean do? Get help?
No, you can just stand next to me.
Voin chu karon lang lo phat me kan lang tlak po kan lang voin chu. Kar ni afal do na ma hin ron sei ro se akal chan to te mo. You need to tell them why you're leaving because people will have questions. Leaving your wife.
Back to them all that. Finish up some work.
Na athok le lok don kar ni let liang.
And I'll return 2 weeks.
There's plastic bag you see inside. That's for us and the kids, and the rest is for mom. Okay. Hey, Artui kanli jasmine rice kasi am saka. You want to pour that one in it? You can use that spoon if you want. Oh, I want you to try my Nutella. May kangsa, okay?
Okay. Try.
I wouldn't want to eat those. Just open for now, half and then.
You just want me to take a bite?
No, put on your plate.
Is it cold?
Yeah, it's like that. It's supposed to be like that. It's so zongcha lian kasa. I'm gonna eat an kasa in zongcha also. Me, because I don't want to try. Enjoy. Eat plenty, okay? I'm gonna miss you.
Not try akasa.
Just like that. An kasa te it's in him. It tastes like what? Oh, pangpat.
Like
Okay. Hey, I tell you, don't video games. Tell you, I don't pay the money. Say you can't survive without video games.
I can survive.
Where is you? Like,
The
were you so happy?
birds are chirping.
You're happy leaving your wife? I don't want to cry anymore. I'm crying so much all night. Huh? Where do you want me to open? You want me to walk in the grass? Why the grass is wet? Where will you put though? On top of that? Oh, you want me to take out this one?
Yeah, we'll put that one in there.
Front straight. Okay. And put that thing inside. Oh. Yeah, just close with that one. Hey, dar nga le chan very to. Nga le li nga katina. Daro ka shape ko po. It's almost bright. I'm gonna miss you. Take your bag. I hate it. I wish you don't have to go. I'm gonna record you the whole time. Can record here. Many people say Dolzo is the best. You want to say something to them?
I love you guys. I can't wait to see you soon. September.
September 15th.
It's gonna be a good time.
We're gonna have meet and greet.
Yeah.
Talk a little bit about that, please, for me. We're gonna have
Live music.
live music,
Some food maybe.
some food and drinks, and flea market. Flea market, the live music there. I don't know, so you don't tell. So maybe you and I can talk about it, details later.
Yeah. Yeah. Something to look forward to.
Yeah.
Cool. Will she come and stay with us then?
Maybe, yeah.
2 weeks. I'll come back with some money and then I don't want to do it anymore.
I know. garlic. Ngati kay tala yakti kami kati labi suit. Kay tu ka tapel lo to. I always cry.
Sometimes I cry.
Cry now. Tapro.
Tabro.
That means cry. Tapro.
Tabro.
How much you love your wife?
Too much.
Tamlutok.
It's not good for me.
Hello.
Shut up.
I love you. Say bye to our viewers.
Bye,
Today
guys.
I'm no one to be in video.
Yeah. Thanks
See you
for
in
joining
next
us
vlog.
this morning.
You can vlog where? What is my next vlog? Do you know? Rebecca
Unboxing.
house.
Oh, yeah, Rebecca's house. Maybe if you find some hangers.
Just show.
The shoe.
Hey, the jeans kekor. Low klinga.
These are high fashion
Zara.
from 1970s, United States and England.
I have 2 different color.
Bell bottoms, flare at the bottom, and they low rise at the hips.
Thank you for buying for me.
Ah,
There's black also.
feel nice.
So they might soon go. I haven't looked either.
These the
The peacock tar.
gladiator.
So that's peacock tar today.
Also the flat sole,
The flat.
and then the gladiator wraps.
Thank you. Love you guys. Milaw ina kanlom to ke.
You know Anna?
Kanlom lu to ke.
Okay.
Bye.
Bye, guys. I just had to wear this one outside.
Baby, I miss you.
You're a real champion.
Look at me. I miss you.
I'll be back soon.
Go. Where are you go?
Kiss me.
Love you.
Love you. Bye. Have fun today.
By myself. Who's gonna make my food from tomorrow?
I'll do it when I come back.
I'm gonna miss you.
It'll be long now. It'll go fast.
Yeah, but it's 2 weeks. It's long time.
One more kiss.
I love you.
Love you.
Oh, I'm smelling like garlic. Shut up. Bye, love you. Mga ite. Bye-bye.
I'll let you know when I get home.
Yeah, I will call you. I'm just messing with you. Bye-bye.
Love you.
Love you, bye.